Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix login error in Doordash app. So first of all, you have to open your Doordash application, and if you are trying to open or log in your account, then there is an error going on. All you have to do is go to your phone settings and then scroll down and tap on this apps. Go for this manage apps, and then you have to search for Doordash, and then you just have to refresh your application. After refreshing, go back to your application and then log in your account. Now if it's still not working, then I recommend you can switch your data. If you are using your data, so you can switch to Wi-Fi and you can see what is fast connection you have. And if it's still not working, all you have to do is go to your app store or play store depending on your device, and then in the search bar just search for Doordash app, and then just see if it's need to update it. You just have to tap on update and you have to use the latest version of Doordash application. Then try again, and if it's still not working, you can actually uninstall the application and install it again. And if it's still not working, then there might be a problem with the application, and the Doordash community is actually fixing the problem. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.